Hi, this is Mike Coleman. I'm an attorney at Lance Law, and I'm just going to talk briefly today about wills and probate. So I have people come into the office sometimes and they say to me, well, if I just sign a will or execute a will, then I'm not going to have to go through probate, or my heirs won't have to go through probate with my assets. And that's not necessarily true. Really, the reason for probate is based on what the title to the asset is. So, for instance, let's take a bank account. A bank account can be titled in all different kinds of ways. So you can have bank accounts titled in one person's name alone. You could have a bank account held jointly with spouses or other co-owners. Maybe the bank account is in someone's name alone but with a beneficiary, or perhaps it's in some kind of a trust. So the answer to whether or not you're going to need to probate this bank account if something happens to the owner is based on how the account is titled. So for instance, if the account is in one person's name alone and they were to pass away, there's no owner on that account anymore. So someone has to go to the probate court and they have to petition the court to be appointed by the court as the executor of the estate. And nothing can happen until that occurs. The bank won't let anyone access the account unless they have that appointment from the probate court. If it's a joint account with a married couple and one of them passes away, then the surviving spouse becomes the owner of the account, and it's the same situation. If that spouse passes away, then there's no owner on the account, and then a probate would be needed in that situation. So having a will with an executor and beneficiaries doesn't avoid probate. It's good to have that to make sure that someone's in charge of your estate and that you know where your assets are going to go, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to avoid probate. So if you'd like to talk about this more with me or someone else here at Lance Law, you can give us a call at 508-998-8800, or if you want to learn more about this, maybe you can visit the website at lancelawinc.com. All right, take care.